Hello there. We are here to tell you about our company. CGR is the right choice for you.
But let's discuss, what is petroleum? Can you explain, Christian?
Well, petroleum is a natural occurring mineral that is made up of carbon and hydrogen.
It can be found in 3 different states: gas, liquid, and solid.
Now that we know what petroleum is, how is it formed?
Well, let's take a look at this diagram. Since you know what is petroleum and how is it formed, you must know the advantages and the disadvantages.
Here are the advantages of petroleum. 1. Oil packs a punch, which means that oil has a very high energy density.
Also, petroleum is the black, oily, thick liquid that comes from the ground. Oil is petroleum that has been refined.
That is correct. Now back to the pros and cons. Oil can be easy to transport and stored, in its liquid form of course. Petroleum is a limited resource and is not renewable, which means the resource will run dry. It can only sustain 30 to 40 years.
Extracting, processing, and refining, it contributes to environmental pollution.
Now, how do we collect petroleum or crude oil?
It is fairly easy. You locate the crude oil that is underground and put a well on top of it. The well will pump the petroleum through pipes. If you give us $65,000, we would develop better refining to reduce pollution.
Hybrid oil that won't run out, such as replacing elements or adding them, maybe helium, oxygen, or etc. Or using light, water, etc.
And while doing research and development, we will thicken the pipelines to make sure there are no ruptures. And we will be also searching for more crude oil deposits.
Maybe use a new type of metal called Madu metal. This metal is basically indestructible.
If you're wondering how efficient is crude oil, it is really efficient. Crude oil has been in business for many decades. If it wasn't efficient, petroleum would never have been in use for many decades.
Well said, Renz. Now, this is why you should invest on us.
Goodbye.